Okay guys, so I just said to Dean, bro, it's getting a bit smoky in here. First of all we thought it was that heater, then we thought it was that heater. He goes, no, it's the microwave! Didn't you?
It's the microwave!
And what I did was I put some resin in here for 22 seconds, but I think I actually put it in for 22 minutes. Oh. Okay. That's what a container of resin will look like after being in the microwave. This is how not to heat up your resin.
For 10 minutes.
Yeah. No heating microwave resin for 10 minutes.